Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Just wanted to show you guys, have another handful of beautiful strawberries here from the little patch out in the smaller garden bed here that we have, the mulch bed, the one that's more overgrown. And man, these strawberries are just so delicious. They are so good, so sweet. Just can't beat it. And just wanted to basically encourage again, everybody, go out, start growing. You can't beat this kind of stuff. I mean, it's one thing to buy the strawberries in the store, but it's another to pick them ripe, you know, warmed by the sun, just straight off the vine, and they just taste so different. It's so wonderful. There's a few more green ones left, so I think we'll still have like a little batch left, but I need to start spreading these strawberries and get them growing in other areas. I think they are kind of too exposed in the sun here, and I think that's why they're all kind of having a tough time. Also, I've let the weeds kind of almost overtake them and almost kill them quite a few times, so I think that's probably kind of holding them back as well. But hopefully at some point we get these transplanted to some other areas that might be more conducive to their growing. So that's another future little project. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see how that turns out. And in the meantime, let me know if you're growing strawberries, and if you haven't tried it yet, give my video a try where I show you how I grew these from seed, and let me know if it works for you. All right, see you guys.